People will forget what you said. People will forget what you did. But people will never forget, say that with me, they'll rise to the occasion and do things you never knew they could, because they know you accept them for who they are. You're not trying to embarrass and shame them into doing something. No, you're empowering them.
I think it's important to empower people to be world changers, teach them how to communicate effectively and show understanding, and to also know that someone's there and that they believe in them and that they care and that they matter.
You have to send a message that you know that they matter. They don't care about the organization knowing that they matter. They want to know that, do you care that I matter? And you are the one that bridges the gap for them to feel that way.
I would definitely say the how is something I would use not only in my professional life, but also in my personal life. I'm a mother, so I find that I tend to always say why with my children, so that really resonated with me to change that, to use how more often.
I really loved when he played the music and we all danced. I saw that his leadership really stood out in that point, because he wanted to connect to us on that level of maybe doing something very different, and I saw smiles in the room, and I thought it was a really great example that he did.